We are here on a day like no other because we have escorted the presumptive winner of the by-election of Kabuchai, Majimbo Kalasinga of Ford Kenya Party. His papers have been looked at, examined, and approved to be in order by IEBC, and he has been handed a nomination certificate and a clean bill to now embark on the journey to become our next Member of Parliament to fit in the shoes of our departed brother, James Lusweti Mukwe. Our being here today with my brother Musalia is not a freak accident. It is a deliberate statement to the Mulembe nation and the people of Kenya at large that what we talk about uniting is what we mean about uniting, because our unity and the unity of purpose is what is going to propel our distinguished community and all the people who live in this region. Our brothers, the Sabauts, our brothers, the Iteso, and all other communities. Our gospel is one simple and clear, that our unity of our region will make us more attractive to engage constructively regions outside our region and communities outside our community to become major factors in the play in the leadership of this country in days to come. We, as a people, have no shortage of capacity, have no shortage of knowledge, have no shortage of ability, have no shortage of will, and have no shortage of determination to conclude this journey that our forefathers started. So when you see me here with Musalia Mudavadi and all this galaxy of leaders from our region, and when you see Majimbo standing between us, you know that the game is short. And the game is going to be short by the people of Kabuchai. We want to encourage everybody of goodwill that the man to beat is Majimbo, and everybody must dust their IDs, dust their voters' cards, and be ready on 4th of March to go and cast a vote of the future of not only this constituency, but this region and this country. This by-election is like no other. From here we are going to Matungu. We also lost our brother Murunga, and the by-election is slated on the same date as this. Ford Kenya has not fielded a candidate in Matungu. We are supporting ANC candidate.
Very good.
ANC has not fielded a candidate in Kabuchai. They are supporting the Ford Kenya candidate. It can't be any better than that. And it will be as good as that going to the future. Any skeptics, any doubting Thomases, and anybody who thinks differently, you are in for a rude shock, my brother and sister. We are headed to places, and places we shall get.
Tutakuja kwa campaign. This is to officially be with him in solidarity, lakini sasa kwa ile ya campaign, Matungu na Kabuchai are just literally neighbors. Tutafanya campaign huko asubuhi, tunafanya hapa in the afternoon. Tunafanya hapa in the afternoon, tunafanya huko asubuhi. Na message ni hiyo hiyo tu. Wale wanafikiri kuna mambo mengine, shauri yao. Lakini now the partnership of Ford Kenya and ANC is going to deliver wonders for the people of Western Kenya. And anybody, yule yoyote ambaye anatembea outside that framework, ametusaliti. Na amesaliti the region. That is the message we must send to the grassroots, to every village, to every fountain, pahali watu wanapata maji, to every hospital, to every school, to every church. This is the unity, and it's a unity of purpose, because we want a good Kenya, we want to revive Kenya's economy, and we can only do it if we are solidly together. And this is the symbol we are putting forward, that we are solidly together. We want to put everything else behind us. From now, we walk together.
Ladies and gentlemen, This morning, I am one of the happiest men around. Having been cleared by IEBC, having undergone all the procedures that they require, I am now duly allowed by law to run for Kabuchai election on 4th and take over Kabuchai as an MP. I believe that Fort Kenya as a party and ANC as a party, working together, I want to become a seed that is going to create peace. I want to be a seed of union. And by the look of things as you see today, ANC and Fort Kenya, we are having a common language. That tells us where I want to go. It's time has gone. We have been abused enough. We have been shown enough back doors. It is time that we take the front row. And I'm happy His Excellency Musalia Mudavadi, I'm happy His Excellency Honorable Moses Masika Wetangula for coming at this time and looking forward to working together. Kama watu wa Kabuchai, tumekaa Kabuchai, tumeelewa Kabuchai. Mimi naongozwa na party leader Moses Masika Wetangula ambaye ni mpika kura wa Kabuchai. Mheshimiwa hapa Catherine Wambilianga ni mpika kura wa Kabuchai. Sisi watu wa Kabuchai tuko na shida mingi sana ambazo tunasielewa. Waacha watu wachie sisi tuangalie tutaenda namna gani. Mwisho kabisa, members of Kabuchai constituency, I believe that you have seen members of parliament behind me. I am happy that from tomorrow they are going to show me standing orders of the National Assembly. Yes. So that when so that on 4th midnight, when they will announce Majimbo Kalasinga as the MP elect for Kabuchai, Harriet Nairobi to be sworn in, I will have already captured the standing orders from these good members of parliament. I can't take you. Thank you, Mr. Koi, Honorable Koi, Dr. Chris Wamalwa, and all MPs for coming to stand in. Asante sana watu wa Kabuchai. Mimi nimekuja hapa na nakaa na nyinyi. Ninaomba kwa unyenyekevu. Nimeomba kwa heshima kwamba kiti ya Kabuchai tarehe 4 mwezi wa 3, ukiamka asubuhi kupika kura na kuomba kura yako unipigie. Hata kama umeona nitapita, usialale kwa nyumba ukafikiri nimepita. Amuka, kura inahesabiwa kama imewekwa kwa box. Sasa nimewaomba tuamke unyenyekevu, na wenzangu wenye tunakimbia kiti ya ubunge, tufanye kampeni ya amani. Tufanye kampeni ya amani kwa sababu hata tuko hapa na amani yenyewe iko hapa. Sasa vile naona kama tunafanya kampeni ya amani, wakina mama wasiokope kwenda kupiga kura. Asanteni sana, mengi tutaongea, lakini kwa ishara ya amani, mimi nikiwa the peace here, tuko pamoja na tunatembea pamoja kama chama. Asante na Mungu.